What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel, miles per hour here. So I said I'll do a video of the spec of the car and going around it and that. So I finally got round to having some time to do it. But I'll also go over, I've already done a few bits to it, so I'll go over them as well while we do this. So yeah, let's come have a look around with me, see what's on the car and what the spec is. Let's do it. Right, so we've started the outside. So I've got velvet blue individual metallic paint. I've got the 20-inch, I think, what are they, 666Ms, I think they're called. But yeah, the 20-inch, that come with the comps. Got Michelin Pilot Sport 4s on them. All round, I've got new ones coming. The back ones are nearly done. And then I've done a few little bits. Don't know if you can see the inside, the struts. Just put some purple on there. Adaptive LEDs. And they are really good. At night, they're so good. And then you got the carbon roof. I've added now the carbon shark fin. And then it came with this, which I'm happy about, the carbon spoiler lip. And a little carbon diffuser. And then I've done these exhaust tips. I'll put these on, which just make it look a bit better. What else we got in it? Put some sticker on there for my YouTube and that. Alright, let's go inside and have a look. So yeah, on this is a opal white interior. So it's not like your Silverstone. I think the Silverstone's a bit bluer. And then whoever optioned all the bits on this, it's got Harman Kardon, all of these lane assist, all this stuff, collisions. I don't really use it too much, to be fair. And then you've got, I've put this on the carbon. It was standard before, so I put that on. And then these little carbon bits. And then it's got the extended leather throughout. And then this one's an odd option, which you don't normally see, is the bit around the instrument cluster. So that's just another extra as well, which I'm glad they've done it, because it makes it look so much better in here. An extended black on the top, and then the rest is just all the white. I love it. It's so nice. And then yeah, it's also got, I think it's got it opens the boot with your foot. I don't really, it happens, I don't know where the sensor is. But yeah, then what else we got here? I've installed CarPlay. I've got that done. So that's on there. And then give it a start up. And then, you probably can't see, but it has got heads-up display. And then your Apple CarPlay. What else has it got in there? I'm trying to think. These are good things I didn't know that you could do. So you can press these buttons and have them for certain stuff. So I can go press and go through them. So it's easier than going into the displays and doing all that. The system's really good. I love it. That's the difference in it. It's got piano black. But apparently that's not a normal option. It's quite a rare option to put on these, other than the carbon fibre. I would have preferred the carbon fibre, but to be fair, this is growing on me now, so it goes nice with the little black extended bits and then the white on the bottom. Right, let's go and have a look at the engine bay. So I've done some new bits. Let's go and have a look. So yeah, I've fitted an MST induction kit. She's just had a service. There's the paint. Yeah, she's just had a service at WG Motorworks, the Sitting Pawn. Really good over there. Really happy with the service. And then, yeah, so the suspension wasn't in the best condition, so WG have put IBACs on for me and lowered it a bit. So it's a bit more lower. But yeah, it's got reversing cameras all round, 360. It's probably got other options. I've got the list, and if you're looking at buying a BM or you want anything about a car, go to M Dataworks. David at M Dataworks on Instagram, and he'll help you out with it. I've got so much information on my vehicle and the colour, how many of them there is, and everything. So I'd definitely go and hit him up. I'll put his stuff in the description anyway, so you can go and look. But yeah, I think the car, I'm loving it. It's everything I want and more, really. I've got a few more bits I want to get, but I'm just doing it slowly and slowly. So yeah, hopefully we'll have some more videos coming. But I'll probably take you for we'll take a spin now. I'll sort the camera out and then I'll put it in a POV view, and then we'll take it down for a little spin, because the exhaust it sounds good. I don't think I want it any louder, because it's got a active auto works equal length mid pipe, so it sounds just right. And now with the intakes, it does sound the nuts. But yeah, just the colour. It says velvet blue, but it's purple. It's like but then in the night, for some views, it does look like a bit of a blue, but I wouldn't say it is. But yeah, it's lovely, right? I'll see if I can put the camera down and get some rest for you. Alright guys, so yeah, let's go for a drive and see what she's like. Crack the windows a bit. Let's go in my comfort setting. So I've had the airbags on for literally a day, really. So I haven't really driven it. So they're still settling, but there's not much difference. I thought there'd be a lot more difference in the way it runs. But there's not. It runs pretty good. Alright, let's put a sport on as we go. This is a nice road. don't know if you can hear the intakes, but you can hear it when the windows are shut. You can hear it a lot more. I think the sweet spot is between 2,000 to 4,000. Yeah, look, you hear it there. It's so quick, this car, like, for me anyway. It just wants to go all the time. But I've been enjoying the car, so I've got to meet this Saturday with a guy. I normally see him with the M Car Collective. He's got an M2, and he's got a little meet this Saturday. It's local to me, so I'll probably definitely be out for that. And yeah, I want to get this detailed and coated, but we'll get around to that. I thought it was going to be a lot more tail happy, but I don't know whether I'm not driving it as hard as you should, or the tyres are pretty good at keeping you on the road. Although there was a time it was wet a bit, and then yeah, it did come out then. So and it's not. I thought it'd be a lot worse on fuel. It's not that bad, to be honest. It's like it doesn't break the bank. I mean, I don't use it. I use it like every now and then on the weekend. So for me, it's not as much as your everyday person will. But I thought it was pretty good, especially if you're going on long journeys. Then yeah, you get on that motorway, stick it in cruise, and yeah, you're all good. But yeah, I love how this is options. This is like perfect, exactly spec I wanted. I feel so lucky to even have got it in this spec. So, favourite colour's purple. Originally I went to get San Marino, and then this come out, and once I saw it, that was it. It was meant to be. But yeah. The gearbox is good. The feel you get through it, for all the gears, is... You get a little jolts here and there. But once the car's warmed up and you know how to accelerate the right bits, it's quick though. Obviously this is my first M car, real sports car. This is pretty quick. I didn't realise they were this quick. yeah, so that's it, guys. I'll probably have a video coming out again after this one for the meet I do local to me, and then yeah, hopefully it's a good one and we'll have more content coming. See you in the next one.